Hey love, so I know it's been way too long. If you follow me on Instagram, then you've been keeping up with me. But for those that have been on YouTube, I'm sorry. But I'm back, y'all, with another wash day video. Want to come back and show you all how I'm going to wash these mini twists. I've had them in for about 2 weeks now, and yeah, my scalp is itching. I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera, but it's flaky. I got snow going on over here as I'm scratching my scalp, but it's definitely flaky. I've been working out consistently this past week, and so I sweat in my head when I work out. So it's definitely time to do something to my hair. I'm not ready to take my twists down yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash them. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into this video. So normally when I do my mini twist and I wash them, sometimes they will start to unravel at the end. So to help them with unraveling, I just take them and put them into loose braids. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Now after I've braided up all of my mini twists, I hop into the shower and begin to saturate my hair with warm water. My low porosity hair really loves warm water. And then I go in with a shampoo bar. I love a good shampoo bar, and this is the one from Main Crush. I love that it has the little knobs on it that can massage my scalp, and it helps me to really get to my scalp while my hair is twisted up and braided up. Now I chose to use this particular shampoo bar because, like the name of it, Healthy Scalp Bar, it's formulated with ingredients that are great for an itchy and dry scalp, and if you have any kind of scalp issues, this one is perfect. So it has ingredients like peppermint oil, has hemp seed oil, tea tree, shikakai, so it's going to make sure that my hair is nice and clean, but it doesn't give me a strip feeling, which I really like. Now after rinsing out the shampoo bar, instead of going in with a conditioner, I'm going in with the clay wash from Main Crush. So I often reach for clay washes because not only do they cleanse my hair and scalp, but they also condition it as well. And this one is a really good one if you have an itchy scalp because it has ingredients like peppermint, tea tree, and eucalyptus in it. But it's also going to give you those moisturizing properties because of the aloe vera juice and the Rasul clay in it. Now you'll notice that this does not have a lather, but that's okay because it really works. My scalp has a cooling sensation. My hair is super soft. Yeah, I really enjoy using this. I reach for it often because it does the job. And you'll notice that while I seem to be working mainly on my scalp, I'm also going to be working down to my hair as well because I want to make sure that my scalp and my hair is clean. And then after that, I'm going to just go ahead and rinse this out as well before I move on to deep conditioning. Now to deep condition, I'm going in with the Cosmo Coalition Deep Conditioner. This is one of my favorite deep conditioners, and hence why I have it in the 16-ounce jar. It has a really creamy consistency, so the application process is really easy. So I apply this to my entire head first before taking down each of the braids, and then going in and applying them more to each of my strands because I want to make sure that all of my strands are coated with the conditioner, because this conditioner has some amazing ingredients like amla, it has hibiscus, it has licorice root, has methi, has babasu oil, sunflower oil, mango butter, a ton of amazing ingredients and Ayurvedic herbs that are going to help to condition my hair, going to help strengthen my strands. So I want to make sure that all of my strands are covered. Now, after making sure that all of my hair was coated with a deep conditioner, I placed a plastic cap on my head and I left it on for about 30 to 45 minutes, and then I rinsed my hair out off camera. And then I used a microfiber towel to soak up some of the water, and y'all, my hair felt so soft. That deep conditioner, it's bae for a reason. I mean, the audio may have cut out when I was recording, but you can read my lips. I was telling you it felt super soft. Now, since I'm focusing on scalp health, I went in with the Super Rinse from Main Crush as well. If you can't tell by now, I love Main Crush. Main Crush is bae. But Super Rinse is a herbal hair and scalp rinse for healthy curls. It helps balance your pH, reduces shedding and breakage, and it adds shine. And it has some amazing ingredients like apple cider vinegar, has coffee in it, fenugreek, horsetail, stinging nettle, rosemary, has sage, hibiscus, chamomile, and peppermint. And these, y'all, this right here, it does what it's supposed to do. I notice whenever I use this that I don't have an itchy scalp during the week, and that's even with me working out. And I also notice that I don't have as much shedding as I normally do as well. And as you can see, although I am focusing on my scalp, I also make sure that I do add this to the length of my hair as well and work it in. And this is a rinse that you do not rinse out. You leave it in your hair. So after I make sure that I work it into my scalp and my strands, I'll just follow up with my leave-in conditioner. Now for my leave-in conditioner, I'm using the Earthborn Organics Camellia Conditioning Mask. Now this is a new one for me. It can actually be used as a pre-poo, a deep conditioner, or as a leave-in conditioner, which I'm using here. It has a nice creamy consistency and it packs tons of moisture and it leaves my hair feeling super soft. When I use this, I don't have to reapply during the week. It actually has lasting moisture. Now, since my hair is in mini twists and I want to make sure that all of my strands are going to be moisturized, you'll see me working the conditioner down the strands of my hair, and then I'm also going to squeeze it in, like I said, to just make sure that all of my hair, even though my hair is in mini twists, is going to be moisturized. And then the last product I'm going to add is Earthborn Organics Cream Styling Gel. Now this step is optional, but since I used it when I initially put in my mini twist, I added it here. But this is also going to add moisture and also give your hair a soft hold as well. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to work it down my strands and then I'm going to squeeze it in. And I'm also going to make sure that I add a little extra to my ends because it does give a little hold that helps with the unraveling of my mini twist. Now since my mini twists are soaking wet, they will shrink up a lot. And so to give them a little bit of stretch, I like to go in and braid them up just like I did in the very beginning. And then once I do that, I'll go ahead and tie my hair down with a satin scarf. And that helps to layer down any flyaways and help with the frizz just a tad bit. But I don't really mind the frizz, but it does help a little bit. But that's it for my wash day routine with my mini twist. After that, I just leave my hair tied up until I'm ready to go out. And then I'll take my braids down. I have a crinkly look and that's it. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and make sure that you are subscribed, like, and comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye, loves.